Hi, Mrs. Owens here with another story for you. So today we're going to look at exploring volcanic activity. So there's a lot of good stuff in this book and I couldn't wait to check it out with you today. So let's take a look at what we've got. Let's start with, what is a volcano? Disasters such as Vesuvius inspire scientists to study volcanoes. Volcanoes may seem like they won't affect you, but people all over the world live near active volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those that have erupted in the last 10,000 years. Volcanoes come in different shapes and sizes. Scientists can learn about the planet by studying volcanoes. They are like windows into Earth. They help scientists see what's inside. Scientists who study volcanoes have a special title. They are called volcanologists. Can you say that? Volcanologists. They travel to volcanoes to learn from them. They try to figure out how volcanoes can work and where they occur. Being a volcanologist. Earth has a long history. Volcanoes are a big part of the past. They leave clues, such as gas and rocks. Volcanologists study these clues. They can learn a lot from volcanoes. They can learn about the Earth's past. They can learn about geology too. Volcanoes are geology in action. Volcanologists have exciting jobs. They travel all over the world to study the volcanoes. Sometimes they ride in helicopters to go to the top of the volcanoes. They may travel to volcanic islands. Once there, they may have to do a lot of hiking up mountains and hills. When they reach their destinations, they dig for samples. They take notes of what they see. Then they go home and record their data. They can share it with other volcanologists. They gather data and they look at the Earth's past. Here they are, gathering their samples here. Whoops, there they are. Here's some pictures of some volcanoes erupting. Look at how close those people are. I wouldn't want to be that close. Those must be professionals. Here's another one of a volcano erupting. Did you know there's some stones that come out and they're called pumice? And that rock is so cool, it can actually float. It's pretty cool. I like pumice. Here's some volcanologists talking to each other, visiting a volcano. Volcanoes are hot. You don't want to touch them. Here's a really pretty picture of a volcano. This one's in Africa. Here's one with lots of smoke coming out. This is Mount St. Helens. I remember when Mount St. Helens erupted back in the 80s. Did a lot of damage. It was right here in the United States. Here's what the inside of the Earth looks like. So what happens is the volcano is when all that hot magma comes out from inside the Earth and it lands on the top. These are common places where volcanoes are found around our tectonic plates. I want to show you the inside of a volcano. I'm going to read this page here. Sizzling structures. Volcanoes have different shapes, but they all function the same way. Over time, hard lava and rocks pile up near the opening to a bigger tunnel, and this is called the central vent. Central vents go far deep underground, and they lead to the magma chambers. Each volcano is unique, but volcanologists try to organize volcanoes into groups. The shape of the volcano results from its eruptions. Cinder cone volcanoes are the simplest ones. They often only erupt once. Shield volcanoes are short but wide. Their lava usually flows out like syrup. not big explosions. Composite volcanoes are large cone-shaped volcanoes. These volcanoes are the tallest ones. They can be more than 2,400 meters or 8,000 feet tall. Their magma is very explosive. They do not erupt a lot, but their eruptions are the most dangerous. Here you can identify those parts there. Can you find all the parts? Here's some pictures of real volcanoes that are not erupting, because sometimes they're just dormant and they just stay there. But we know that there's magma deep down inside. Here's some volcanologists that are studying right on top of the volcano. Do you think that'd be dangerous? I do. Wow, you can try and make your own volcano at home. You could look that up and take some baking soda and vinegar with a parent's help and try and see if you can get it to explode. All right, this has been Volcanoes with Mrs. Owens. Have a great day, you guys. Thanks for visiting.